4 on the Disney Magic. This is a family concierge stateroom. We have robes here. It's got a split bathroom, like most staterooms on board. But you will notice the concierge has some upgraded products. They have the elements in here and upgraded countertops. And got some water here. This says the upgraded linens in the concierge room. Still love these lampshades. And a welcome fruit basket from Concierge. The bed pulls down from the ceiling right here, and there is a Murphy bed in that closet. Big extended desk, lots of storage area, and a refrigerator. There's the current Castaway gifts. And a nice size veranda with the Port of Miami there. And that is it. It's a beautiful stateroom. Thanks for watching.